Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Times News. Here I am Rosemary Teronpi. Today nation stand united as we celebrate the 75th Republic Day. The Republic Day parade, a spectacular display of Indians' diversity and strength, unfolded in the heart of the capital. This year's festivities marks not only the 75th anniversary of the Republic, but also showcase innovation and achievement across a various sectors.
Manhansing Senior Secondary School of Ilajum Taekwondo, Alir Alon Kido Labang Song Band, Laki Brass Band 23rd APIR Battalion Longin Band, Alam Ilajum Fan Japon, Laki Band Havildar Dilip Diso.
The military showcased its process with state-of-the-art weaponry and equipment. The impressive flip-pace left the audience in awe. From vibrant folk dances to soul-stirring music, the cultural segment captivated the audience, reflecting the rich tapestry of our heritage. In a note to the nation future, Republic Day 2024 celebrated the accomplishment of young achievers in science, sports, and arts, inspiring the next generation.
Central Reserve Police Force, the Platoon Commander, Inspector Rajendra B.
In the second contingent, we have Assam Police Diphu, led by Platoon Commander ABSI Ajit Chandra Bolo.
Ahom Police Officer Contingent, 23rd ABIRBN Longmit, প্রতিনিধিত্ব কৰিছে ABSI Rammohan Rongpi.
Assam Police Appeal, Ilajum Taekwondo, contingent ke Thamalo.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang emphasized the importance of unity, progress, and inclusivity, outlining the vision for prosperous India.
Sri Vidya Singh England to kindly do the honor of giving this award to the first rank holder on behalf of Neeraj Priya Gogoi from Mount Sinai High Secondary School, Bengal, who secured 96.67%. Next, for the first rank holder, 91.60% from the Bosco High Secondary School. The guardian of Namjot Singh is receiving
Platoon Commander, Senior Under Officer Tom Moitas.
Adjunct to Taekwondo, Diphu Boys High Secondary School NCC Cadet, led by Platoon Commander, Senior Under Officer Prem Thappa.
Diphu Boys Higher Secondary School NCC Bisodeya, St. Mary's English School NCC, Platoon Commander, Senior Under Officer Sarbinong Bay.
Contingent, we have DAV Higher Secondary.
As the day concludes, Republic Day 2024 remind us of the resilience and unity that define our great nation. We celebrate the past, embrace the present, and looks forward to a future filled with promise. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
Characterized by economic prosperity, social advancement, and effective governance, and a sustainable environment. We are reaping the benefits of this great democracy in Karbi Anglong. On the 3rd of May last year, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Sharma laid the foundation stone for more than 2,551 crore for a project. The work of which are under progress. The project include Amrit Tumpe Mujai Nivaran Harabat Karkop under Assam Mela.